What's up, everybody? I thought it'd be a good idea today if I show you all how I add captions to my videos for YouTube with Canva and ChatGPT. So I'm going to take you into a step-by-step tutorial to show you how I'm doing this so that you can do it. Add some captions to your videos. You'll see a difference. Viewers tend to lean in more when they see captions. It keeps them more engaged and they feel more intrigued when they're watching your video. So consider adding captions, and if you don't know how, you got to learn today. So let's do it. First, we're going to start out with ChatGPT.com. You're going to go into the search bar and create a prompt and prompt chat like this. Create a short script, 20 seconds long, for a meditation spa promo. Make it geared toward women 40 plus seeking financial balance, harmony, and increase. And this is the prompt that I created for mine. So if you want to use some of the word in there to create something special for your own business or for a client, go ahead and switch it up a little bit. Now, this is the answer that chat gave me after that prompt. And I'm kind of cool with it, so I'm going to stick with it. Alright, so I highlighted it, but I'm going to leave it right there because next we're going to jump right into Canva homepage. And on the home page, you'll see right below the space bar here, video, see all. You're going to create a landscape. And for this video, we are going to start out by recording the text that we just had prompt to write for us. So we just had chat to write for us. Let's click upload on Canva. And for uploads, we are going to say record yourself. So let's get in the camera. Okay, we do need the mic on. And we're going to say record first and give us 3 seconds to toggle over to chat and repeat the text. So recite the text. Let's say record. 3, 2. Dear woman of wisdom, when was the last time you exhaled fully? At Serenity Flow Spa, we create space for you to release the financial pressure, realign your mindset, and rise into balance, harmony, and increase. This is more than a spa. It's your soft life reset. Book your peace today. Now we can listen back, play back.
When was the last time you exhaled fully?
It's perfect. Let's pause and say save and exit right here in the right hand corner.
When's the last time you exhaled fully? At Serenity Flow Spa.
Wonderful. Now we have our voiceover. Let's add an image. So let's go to elements over here on the left hand sidebar. We're going to pick a video. Let's say spa. See all. And this is a 30-second video. Okay, I see something better. I'm going to delete that and go with this top video here in the corner, and we'll click the ellipsis on this video so we can make it the background. We'll scroll down and set the video as the background. We'll hide this monogram here by transparency. We can also position it to the back. It's already positioned to the back, and once we click off, you'll see there's nothing there but the video that you selected. Now let's play it together. Okay, we need to start it from here. Play. Okay, stop it. Let's go back again. Try again. And yes, how y'all been doing? I hope everybody been feeling okay.
Last time you exhaled fully. It's
been a whole lot going on over here. You know, school is out now. The kids are hanging around. You might even hear one or two in the background right now.
This is more than a spa.
Okay.
It's your soft life reset. Book your peace today.
I love it. So why don't we just scroll all the way back, take the marker and set it at the beginning, and now we are ready to add some captions. Let's go down to apps right here on the left hand sidebar. And when apps show up, you're going to type the word captions. And there we go, the very first widget. Now we'll see which one of these we want to translate. And it will be the second one, the recording. And that's the one we click. Now we'll say generate captions. So yeah, everything's been going kind of wild right now. A lot of grocery shopping, a lot of laundry going on. You know, the kids are out right now. Then we got a school shopping list out already. What's going on with that? I mean, we just got out. Give us a break. All right, so captions have been generated here. Why don't we go full screen with these? And go down to the right hand side, the very bottom. You'll see where you can control this screen. You can see it in grids or you can see the full screen. Let's say preview.
When was the last time you exhaled fully? In Serenity Flow Spa, we create space for you to release the financial pressure, realign your mindset, and rise into balance, harmony, and increase. This is more than a spa. It's your soft life reset. Book your peace today.
All right, what you think? Look like my real spot, don't it? Look like my real little spot. Like y'all can really come through up in here, man. I would love this. Okay, so now you got a little formula that you can put some things together, put some things in place, and hook somebody up and get you some coins, or use this for your own business, save you some coins. Either way you look at it, this is digital pressure. Add some captions to your videos. It's going to give it a little spark and retain a lot more viewership. So that's it. That's what I got for you guys today. I hope y'all learned something and share it with somebody else who need to see it. I will see you in the next video.